Okay, now we have to change those titles, so let's change them. The second title will be paste this. So I click here, then press command and select this text to copy it. Then I go here and paste it like this. Actually I have to paste it without style, so first I will paste the text here, then I will press Ctrl Z to cut it and paste it in our category. And next go to beverages and press command and select the elements, then copy it, paste it on the URL bar, because when we paste it on the URL bar we will able to remove the old style. As example, if we just copy this and paste this here, the text change to the different text. So our original text is m+1, so that's why we paste it on the URL bar and paste the text here. Okay, now it's time to add images. To do that, I press command and select this rectangle, and we are going to replace this rectangle with images. To do that, I go to the shape tools and click here, then click on place image/video. Now we have the images, so I will add those images to the description of the resources section. And when we select the image, we can put it like this. And let's add the paste image, the beverages image, and finally light meal image. Okay, now if we check the design, those images don't have reduced corners, so let's reduce the corners of those images. To do that, we can use our master component. So click the image rectangle on master component and let's add reduce images as 15 or reduce corners as 15, and here the corners reduced and it's look better. Now we have to create the popular food section and recommended food section.